This is how you can lock the swipe down feature on the iPhone. Let's get into it right now. So you can open up the settings on your device, and then on the main page inside of the settings, scroll down towards the bottom until you find the Face ID and passcode section. If you have an iPhone with the home button and a Touch ID, the section will be named Touch ID and passcode. Tap on it, authenticate yourself with the passcode you use to unlock your iPhone. And if you scroll towards the bottom, you will see a section called Allow Access When Locked. And there are a bunch of different things with toggles next to it. So this essentially means that when your iPhone is locked, and you can decide here which things are going to be accessible on the lock screen. So if you don't want people to swipe down on your lock screen to access the control center and change some things for you, or if you don't want them to swipe down and access the notification center or some other things, you can disable it here if you wish. For example, you can disable the swipe left to access the widgets, which you can see right here. What you can also disable is the replying with messages, which might be also worth looking at, right? So it depends on what your goal is, but this is a nice section where you can easily just see the things which are accessible and just disable them if you wish to. If you are looking for some kind of different controls within certain apps, what you can also do is to enable a feature called guided access. So inside of the accessibility settings on your iPhone, entirely at the bottom, we have guided access, which can be triggered inside of any app with triple clicking of the side button. There, you can decide what things are going to be possible to do inside of that app. So you, for example, might disable the side button or disable the motion entirely, or don't even let the user touch the screen, or you can disable so many different things inside of the guided access. So you can even lock it with a passcode, and this might be also something which you are interested in. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get to your desired goal or destination with this. Subscribe for more directly to the point tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.